Rotisserie chickens always have leftovers. What to do with them? Here's an amazingly simple one-pot pasta recipe, penne and rotisserie chicken. All in one pot, ready to go. So let's cut up some dark meat and light meat off that chicken. And cut that into small pieces, almost shredded. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. About a cup. Chop up 2 cloves of garlic. A half cup of cherry tomatoes, and the rest of the ingredients: barbecue chicken spice, cream, chicken broth, shredded cheese, and grated Parmesan cheese. Plus, of course, your choice of pasta. We'll boil the pasta in a cup of chicken broth. Add the chicken spices, and the garlic. Bring that to a boil. This will infuse the pasta with these flavors. A cup of pasta, add some penne, so that will do well. Boil for 10 minutes. Check for the doneness you prefer. When the pasta is almost done, add the tomatoes and let that cook for 2 minutes. Add a tablespoon of salt. Mix a tablespoon of flour with a cup of cream to thicken it. And add that to the pasta. Let that boil over low heat for a minute. Add a half cup of shredded cheese. A third cup of Parmesan cheese. Now, add the chicken and let the chicken heat up. Serve. A sprinkle of Parmesan makes a great topping. Enjoy. So that was amazingly good. Used up the leftover chicken and only one pot to clean.